Imagine turning a weekly pizza order into a small slice of financial freedom. No, seriously. What if instead of spending $100 a week on stuff you won't remember next month, you invested it instead? Just $100 every week. No windfalls. No lottery wins. Just raw, boring, consistent investing. Here's what happens when you do that. For a whole year. Let's cut the fluff. You want results. So we did the experiment. $100 invested every single week for 52 weeks. That's $5,200 total. We tracked it through ups and downs, market mood swings, FOMO, and crashes that had us questioning every life decision. Here's what went down. Scenario 1. The stock market sweet spot. Let's say you invest that $100 week into a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. It's like betting on America, but with better odds than the lottery. Historically, the S&P 500 returns around 8–10% annually. We'll meet in the middle and call it 9%. With weekly contributions and compounding interest kicking in like a caffeinated squirrel, here's the magic. After 1 year, your $5,200 turns into approximately $5,430. Not thrilling? Hold on. That's just year 1. Let this sink in. That's $230 earned without lifting a finger. Now imagine doing this every year. In 10 years? Over $83,000. In 30 years? Over $500,000. You started with a pizza budget. You end with $500,000. Scenario 2, crypto chaos. Next, we dumped $100 a week into Bitcoin. Because hey, why not ride the crypto coaster? Spoiler alert, it's not for the faint of heart. 1 week, you're a genius. The next, you're questioning your sanity while staring at red charts at 3 a.m. During our year, Bitcoin had its mood swings. But guess what? Our total investment, $5,200, final value after 12 months, $6,300, that's $1,000 in profit, a 21% return. Not bad for a digital coin that's been declared dead more times than your old iPod. But remember, crypto is a high-stakes game. Next year, could be plus 50% or 50%. Don't invest more than you can emotionally watch burn. Scenario 3, dividend stocks. The lazy genius strategy. We threw $100 a week at dividend-paying stocks. Why? Because these companies literally pay you just for owning their shares. We picked solid blue chips. Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. Boring? Maybe. But these companies have survived wars, recessions, and TikTok trends. Here's what we saw. Total investment, $5,200. Final portfolio, $5,050. Dividends earned, around $140. That's like getting a bonus check for being lazy. And if we reinvest those dividends? Cue the compound effect, again. The real secret sauce, consistency. Now here's where brains melt. It's not about how much you invest. It's how consistently you do it. Investing $100 a week sounds small. But the real magic is in showing up every week, rain or shine, market boom or bust. It's called dollar cost averaging. You buy high, you buy low, but most importantly, you buy regularly. This smooths out the bumps. You're not trying to time the market, you're just there, every week, like an unbothered financial ninja. What about risk? Yes, the market can crash. Yes, crypto can vaporize. Yes, dividends can get cut. But guess what's riskier? Doing nothing. Waiting for the perfect time. Saying, I'll start next year. Inflation doesn't wait. Rent doesn't pause. But compound interest? It rewards the early. Psychological side effects. Unexpected bonus round. This weekly investing thing, it does something to your brain. You stop doom scrolling and start stock scrolling. You begin seeing sales at Target as potential ETF purchases. You feel in control. That $100 week isn't just an investment in stocks. It's an investment in discipline, in confidence, in future you. You don't need to be rich to start. You need to start to get rich. Let's wrap this with some math. That'll slap you 100 week equals $5,200 year. Do that for 10 years at a 9% return equals $83,000. Do it for 20 years, equals $247,000. Do it for 30 years, equals $566,000. Do it for 40 years, equals $1,200,100. Weekly. That's the cost of 2 delivery meals or a few Uber rides. And it's the key to potentially becoming a millionaire. No gimmicks. No shortcuts. Just consistency and time. So what happens when you invest $100 every week for a year? You plant seeds. And if you keep watering it, one day, it becomes a money tree.